Hi everybody, welcome back to the craft room. I thought today I'd give you a sneak peek into some stuff we've been doing while I've been away. We've been working on cleaning the craft room, and I've been helping my husband build a little mother-in-law apartment out in the back. So the first thing I wanted to show you is this cute little cart that I got to put the sewing machine on. So adorable. It has lovely shelves, and I can store little bits of fabric and stuff down there. Please don't mind the background. Those are all my organized chaos supplies. Uh, so on top of the cart, we have this, let me pull the cover off here. There's this wood top that the sewing machine sets on, and it is a blank from the sink that we cut out of a cabinet to put in the apartment. Here, let me cut in and show you where that came from. So we found this furniture piece at a thrift store, and we've made it into a sink for the little guest house we're building for, I guess, a mother-in-law suite you'd call it. But it's this beautiful wood cabinet, and then it was so sturdy, and we were able to cut a hole out of the top to place the sink in there, which is just beautiful wood. And then, let me open the door here. We were able to take out the shelves and then run the plumbing down through there. So this top piece that we cut out is just perfect to go in my little sewing cart. So cute, right? It turns out it was exactly the right width to put inside this cart. So we cut it down slightly for length because it was a little too long. But now I have this great work surface on top of this cart for my sewing machine, which I've literally just taken out of the box. You can still see the blue tape on there. I have not even put thread through it yet. So we've got the cart here, and it's nice that it's on wheels. I can tuck it back in this little space over here when I'm not using it to access these cabinets. And then I have a little electrical strip up there I can plug into, which is awesome. While we're going, I'll show you a little bit more. If you look up out the window, oh, sorry, just got dark. There it is. I have lots and lots of ribbon that my husband has so wonderfully made me, these beautiful racks to hold. Sorry about the shadow of the fan there. So I've got them sorted by color, which is awesome. It goes over the window too, but if I move over there, it's going to get dark again. So I've got all my wire-edged ribbon here. Love that. And then this is my desk, which is always like this. I'm hoping to get something to organize all these paper punches in, maybe something over the door that I can hang up. And then I have some ephemera that I keep there. I've been taking apart some jewelry, so I've got beads and pieces of chain and bobbly things. And then I've got this beautiful hutch that my husband also built. My husband builds me a lot of things. I've got beads and baubles and all kinds of things there. Stamps. Got some necklaces hanging. There's the tripod where all the magic happens. And then stamps on this side of the desk. So it's organized chaos, but chaos nonetheless. I love it though. This is my happy place. Alright guys, thanks for coming along for this little sneak peek, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.